Is your infant losing hair or balding at the back and or around the sides of their head? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'll be giving my niece a hair audit plus my top tips on how to eliminate dry hair and retain length, and also share my niece's moisturizing and braid routine. Hey guys, it's Novella from Naturally Crowned. So guys, I have my niece again on my channel today, and in today's video I really wanted to focus on her problem area. So as you can see, she has lost some hair in the back section of her head. This section gets quite dry and the curls are much tighter in this section. But I wanted to say that with infant hair loss, it is very common and it is quite normal. However, there are things you can do to try and prevent it from happening and also leading to balding. My sister's doing a great job with my niece's routine so far. However, I would like to add 3 things to her routine in order to eliminate dryness, in order to retain length, so that we can see some growth in the back section, which I know we will see very soon. So the first thing I would say is to moisturize thoroughly, particularly in this back section, just to avoid any dryness. The second thing I would say is to protect the hair at night with a satin sheet or an empty satin pillowcase. This will avoid her hair from rubbing on the cotton sheets and causing friction and breakage. Also, when she's in her car seat, to put a satin scarf on her headrest to also protect her hair from drying out. When she's wearing her winter hat, to put a satin lining in her winter hat, so while she has it on, her hair is protected and it's not drying out also. And the final thing I would say is, after moisturizing her hair, since her hair is longer now, I would advise her to braid very loosely or twist it loosely while they're at home. This will help to retain that moisture in her hair for longer. So I'm now going to start her moisturizing routine. I like to use the LCO method, which is the liquid, cream and oil method. So I'm now spritzing her hair with her leave-in conditioner. It's also a detangler as well, but I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner. I'm now going to apply her cream to her hair. Guys, please note that before we did this moisturizing routine, she did wash her hair. If you haven't seen her wash day routine, I will link it in the top right hand corner of this video. Once you finish this, you can go ahead and watch that. So guys, when you're moisturizing your infant's hair, just make sure you really focus the moisturizer on the parts that are very dry, the parts that you can't get to. Make sure you part in it with your fingers and just make sure that you're applying the cream to those sections. We want to make sure that we're not leaving any areas dry without any cream.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
After applying the growth oil, I like to massage the growth oil into her scalp. This really stimulates blood flow and encourages growth as well. I'm now going to braid her hair, and the reason why we're braiding her hair is because usually when her fro is out, her hair tends to dry quicker, but when her hair is in braids or twists while she's at home, the moisture lasts much longer than if her fro was to be left out. Now please note that these braids are only meant for being at home as a protective style, so you don't need to part in the parts neatly. It's just for when they are at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share it with anyone that you feel may benefit from this video. I will see you next week Tuesday. Take care. Bye.